Ooh, are you ready to harvest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys know what it is? This one?
Purple cauliflower.
What about this one?
Romanesco.
Nice. Okay, let's get the knife. And you have to hold it. You have to hold it in the bottom. Would you like to help me? Just right in here. Be careful. Okay? Can you hold the top? Can you hold the top of the cauliflower? Yeah. So we can get it. Hey.
That's gonna taste so yummy.
Ooh, look at this. Okay. Kayla, wanna hold the Romanesco? Okay, this one. Abang can hold this one. Give to Kayla. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Hold tight, hold tight. Go this way. There you go.
This is the purple cauliflower.
That's delicious cauliflower. And what do you have in your hand?
Romanesco.
Romanesco. I know you like that one. Beautiful cauliflower. Look at this. Look at the shape. Look at this. You see? Yeah, no. It's
It's
beautiful.
like curly, like a pyramid.
Like a pyramid. You got it. I know. Look at this. We're going to cook it tonight. Our dinner.
Please put a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Until
The next video.
bye.